Welcome to Heramat classes. Today we shall see English workshop of the 1.1 Be the Best Poem. Okay, when we are going to the solve to the English workshop activities, first activity we will see, and I will read and I will show the activities to you. Okay. So I will read the first activity. 1. Read the words or names given below. Put the big sized or bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. So dear students, so I will solve means I will tell you how to solve, how to write here. Here means they have given a small circle. Here they have given big circle. And here in the they have given the words musky, tree, pine, lake, boss, bush, highway, scrub, rill, sun, star, trail. And here which gives a smaller meanings, that words we should write in the small circle. Okay, here the boss is there, bush is there, trail is there, lake is there, scrub, reel. Here these words shows the smaller things, means the smaller ones. And then here I will write the point, means I have already written. uh, then hill means sun, highway, musky, tree. These shows the means these words shows the bigger things. So I have written here in the bigger circle. Okay, do you understand? And we will go to the next activity. Activity number 2 is there. Form groups of 4. Read each stanza in the poem turn by turn. In the class we make 4 groups, and one by one we will give the ample practice of reading or recite the poem. Okay, in the classroom we will take it, but we have not classroom here. And we will go to the third activity. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. So I will tell you, in the first stanza, hill and reel means first line hill is there and third line reel is there, hill, reel. And second stanza, grass, boss is there. And third stanza, here, near. And a fourth stanza, trail and fail. These are the rhyming words of the 4 stanzas. Okay, and then we will go to the fourth activity. Complete the following with appropriate words or phrases from the poem. First one is done for you. So if you can't be a pine, be a scrub. First one they have already provided the answer. And second we will see, if you can't be a tree, be a bush. So we should write here be a bush. And then 3, they have given the be a boss. Okay, we should write here if you are a muskie, if you are a muskie, be a boss. And fourth one we will see, if you can't be a captain, be a crew. We should write here be a crew. This is the answer. And fifth one, they have given the first blank. If you can't be a highway, be a trail. Okay, we should write here if you can't be a highway. So this is the answer. And sixth one, if you can't be the sun, be a star, means be a star is the answer. Okay, then we will go to the activity number 5. 5, write whether the following are true or false. Okay, we will see students. 1, all must be the captains of the teams. This is false one, means wrong one. And here second, a bit of grass can make the highway happier. It is true. I have already written true. Number 3, we win or fail depending upon size or position. It is false is there, so I have written false. And fourth one, a scrub is found at the top of the hill. It is also false. And then fifth one, if your work is not important, don't do it. This is also false. And whatever job you have, do your best. It is true. So here, first one, third one, fourth one, fifth one are false, and second one and the last sixth one are true. Okay, then we will go to the activity number 6. 6. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. Again, I will read. I will read sixth one. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the following, with the help of the points given below. So, appreciation is of the poem is there. The title of the poem is, what is the title of the poem? Be the best. Okay, and then the poem is written by Douglas Malloch. And here the poem has 4 stanzas and each stanza has 4 lines. Okay, and then fourth one, the lines that rhyme in each stanza are 1 and 3. 1 and 3. And here fifth one, the poet compares big things with small things. Okay, and sixth one, if you can't is a repeated expression in the poem. And the line I shall always remember is be the best. Otherwise, you will write here be the best whatever you are. Be the best whatever you are. This is the line I always remember. So, we have completed 6th activities in the workshop, and the last activity is there, means you will take any of the poem and recite yourself. Okay, this is the formula, and then we will stop here. So, dear students, I request you, if you like our videos, you subscribe it and press the bell icon, means it will help us to upload our videos in future. Okay, thank you very much.